Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Pad, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. And to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'll be using settings as an example for this. And once it's open and visible on a screen, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. No, that wasn't the same time, so let's try that again. There we go. You can see it pops up with this little image right here, share and edit options, and if you disregard it, it will disappear after a moment. There we go. Now you can capture as many images like that as you want. There we go, there's another one. And whatever image you have captured, screenshots, you can find them all in your gallery application. As you can see, there they are. Just it looks a little bit weird, but you can see them right here. Additionally, if you have more than just like 2 images, it will obviously create albums right here in the categories. So you will have photos, albums, and I don't remember something else as well. And you can find it under a screenshot folder in albums. So yeah. Anyway, that is how you capture your screenshots and also where you can find them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.